Maximum yield detected. All parameters saturated. This yield is exceptional. Direct the drone for pickup.
Acknowledged. Watch the stabilizers on the next cut.
The flow rate is optimized. Continue feeding the spheres.
We are reaching maximum capacity on VAT 3.
The watermelon casker is stabilizing, but the sugar density is low.
Check interpreters are on level 4.
Flow rate stabilizing after the valve adjustment.
Good. The extract is clear. We can proceed with the batch cycle.
Another successful cycle completed.
Yes, the output levels are optimal. Knowledge transport sequence 9.
Confirmed. Calibrating scanner for next cycle. The Crimson Energy storage liquid production is complete.
Okay, the damaged module is free.
Lowering the replacement now. Watch the alignment guides.
It's seated. Start the tightening sequence.
Pressure levels stable on conduit gamma. Flow rate holding steady.
Sector 4 is clear.
Temperature stabilized across the board.
Confirmed. We are clear for transport on this level.
The alpha shifts are optimized. Sending the finalized grid now. Looks good. We are set for the cycle.
The sucrose levels are stabilizing.
Good. The serum injection was successful.
We should monitor the bioluminescence for the next cycle.
The bioresonance is quite high. Astringent finish.
Agreed. Data suggests high sucrose integration.
Optimal for energy synthesis, though.
This is the finest frost watermelon I have ever seen.
The crystallization is perfect.
We have done well.
Let's increase the saturation on the Omaticaya icon.
And amplify the glow around the edges for the premium line.
The client wants the typography finalized by the cycle's end.
If we reroute the supply chain through Xylos, we mitigate the risk.
But look at the surge on Planet 4. That outweighs the Sector Zelo instability.
The demand for the Mars colony has spiked dramatically in the last cycle.
We need to increase production immediately to meet the quotas.
Phase alignment is holding steady.
Acknowledged. Proceed to the next sequence.
Attention all units. Clear the Gamma Quadrant immediately. Priority shipment inbound.
Manifest check complete on Bay Gamma 7.
Confirmed. All units accounted for. Bay doors open.
We finally did it!
Attention all personnel, all personnel. The repressor levels are unprecedented.
The green ones are the best.
Yeah, I needed this break.
Only 3 cycles left.
The reserves are critical. We're almost depleted.
I see it. Reroute auxiliary power to the intake valves now.
need more power on the coupling.
Ramping it up now, Commander.
The lower quadrant remains clear. Keep monitoring the thermal bloom. A new day begins. Yes, time to work.